So right now, this type of editing is going viral on Instagram, and everyone is getting millions of views by posting it. So in this video, I am going to tell you that this type of editing, how to make it in your mobile, and that too, absolutely free. So you have to come to Google and search for ChatGPT. Then you have to go to the ChatGPT website and upload your image. And you just have to write this script. Then in 2 to 3 minutes, it will generate the photo for you. And you should download this for today. For now, this is all you get in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.